How to insert a hyperlink in your Microsoft Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you'll need to do to insert a hyperlink is have a text or just a picture ready. So after you have your text ready, what you'll need to do is select the text. After you select the text, what you'll need to do is head over to insert. It's on the top side, right on the right hand side of home. And after you do that, you will see the insert link option. So tap on link, and after you tap on link, you will see external pages right here, existing file or web pages, or you can create new documents. You can place in this document, or you can even add an email address. For this, we'll just add a web link here. So I'll just add in youtube.com and hit enter. Now what this does is it simply changes this into a hyperlink. Now if I press Control plus click, it will take me to youtube.com. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you can insert a hyperlink in your Word document. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.